Okay, this is the Jawbone Jambox, made for Bluetooth systems where your iPhone or iPad or Droid phone or even a laptop that has Bluetooth capabilities to have a speaker without tethering it to a cable. I went ahead and opened the box because it was such a pain in the butt to open. I don't want to waste a minute of your life here. Basically, this thing comes in here. This thing was in the crazy case here. Looks great, but it was such a pain to actually open up. So I went ahead and did that for you. This is the unit. This is the accessories and stuff that comes with it. As you can see, I took the instructions off already. It comes with a wall charger, 60-inch USB mini USB cable. A lot of you probably already have that already. This is a 12-inch mini USB cable. You can use the USB to connect to your laptop, to another USB connector. A lot of cars have them now. Or you can just use this, plug this sucker into the wall, plug your USB into a cable right here, and charge it right up. So I'll put all this crap away. Here, oh, it also comes with a mini jack for you want to connect it direct with your phone or your laptop. Plugs right in. Mini jack, little tiny one. It goes. That brings us to the actual unit itself. Let me put this away real quick. The actual unit itself is about this. This is the iPhone. Just so you can see what we're talking about here. The size of it, the width, the thick, the length, so on and so forth. It actually feels pretty sturdy, and this thing is semi-tacky, so you can actually put it on the dash of a car or a boat, so on and so forth. So it's not like totally hard plastic, which is good. On the side here, you have the mini USB connector for continuous charging or charging overnight. You have the mini jack, which allows you to plug it up to your phone or your iPad or your laptop. This is the on-off button and the pairing button. On the top of it is a down volume, up volume, and take your phone call button, because since it's Bluetooth, it also operates as a speakerphone, which works great. So you can use this in a conference room or a group conversation. Just push this button and it answers your phone. There's a little mini speaker in here somewhere, and you're good to go. Basically, the concept is you turn this thing on after you charge it. Obviously, it comes with a little charge, so I had it off. So you turn it on and you hold it up.
Jambox is in pairing mode.
So it's in pairing
mode. Waiting for device to connect.
Okay. So once it's blinking, I go ahead and pair it with my phone. So let me see. Phone. I'm connected. So now I can play any music, any song, any conversation, and it'll play right through here. The volume is controlled through the phone as well as these buttons here. And it's pretty loud. It actually takes up the whole phone, fills up the whole room. Lower the volume, max volume. As you can see, it has pretty good bass as well. Let me put in a song with a little more bass on here. I'm gonna hold it up to the microphone here in a second.
She a motherfucking drip, tell her all the drip. When he make it drip, kiss him on her lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, cause you'll get slapped if you're looking ho. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm acting dudes up. That coops up and chuck the youth up.
Well, as you can see, it's got plenty of bass, plenty of fidelity. This thing comes with oh, I forgot. This comes with a little pouch also, so you can carry it around pretty much everywhere you go. There's a little interesting case. It's a square box. The thing slips in there, and you got a little cool case to carry around, a little magnetic closure, and you got some really interesting box to carry around, put in your backpack and wherever you go actually. So for about, I found this at Best Buy today at about $145. But if you like high fidelity stuff in a small package, this is going to be tough to beat. There's a couple of other ones out there that runs about $100. Anything below that is probably not going to be too hot. Did a little research on this, but it looks good. It comes with multiple colors: black, blue, red. I think it even comes in purple. But retails for $199. Probably be a great gift for somebody that listens to a lot of music and want to share it